Are you doing some spring cleaning? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth to help you throw out those chemicals and use natural ingredients to make your home clean this month. This month I'm sharing with you a recipe from our essential oil recipe box, tea tree and lemon surface cleaner. For this recipe you will need 1/3 of a cup hot water, a teaspoon of borax, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of rubbing alcohol. You're also going to want a 4-ounce spray bottle, 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, and 10 drops of lemon essential oil, and you'll also want a ladle. I'm also going to be using a funnel to help me pour things into my spray bottle. To start, I have this water really hot. I'm going to dissolve the borax into the water. Stir to dissolve. Now that that is dissolved, I'm going to start adding all my ingredients to my spray bottle. Your spray bottle will get hot if you're using an aluminum one, so be careful as you do this. And I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients to my spray bottle. Both lemon and tea tree essential oils are powerful antimicrobials. To use, I'm just gonna shake and spray and wipe, and my countertop will be clean. If you like this recipe and want to learn more, subscribe to our essential oil recipe box. In this box you'll get 4 full-size essential oils, 6 natural recipes to make your home more natural, and everything you need to make them, all for $39. And don't wait to subscribe. Last month we sold out. So if you want to make your home more natural with Simply Earth, subscribe today.